Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to teach how to make the login form using counter. Here, let us show the demo first. Here, if you type the username and password 3 times incorrect, your system will be exit. So here first time if you click login, invalid username and password, it asks enter again, invalid second time, third time this one. If you attempt to log in the fourth time, you are invalid user. If you click OK, your program should be exit, right? How to do this simple program step by step, right? So it's very important stuff. If you are doing the big project, this is very essential for the security purpose. So, okay. Now first I'm going to go to the file, new project, click Java application, click next. If it is check create main class, you have to uncheck it, click finish. Right. This is your project name. Project name. Now what I am going to do is here, go select the source packages folder. I am going to create the new JFrame form. I name it as this one login. Right. First I am going to design the form. So let's select one label. You have to, this one should be login. Select this again, properties, font property, bold 24. Now I am going to drag one panel. This one, select this one, properties, border property I am going to select as title border. Here I am going to give the title as login. Click OK. Now here I am going to drag two labels, two text fields, one button. This one should be the login. Right click, login. Right. Now first we have to select this label. Right click, edit text, username. This one password. Right click, edit text, password. Right. Hold on the hold on the control key down. Select both username and password. Right click, properties, font property I select as bold 40. Right. This one you have to select the text box, edit text, backspace to remove. This one select edit text, backspace to remove. Select this again, change variable txt uname. Select this one txt pass. Click OK. Right. Now what I am going to do is here, select the login page, properties, code, generate center. Right. Now let's run the application and check. It's working perfectly well. Now let's do the validation part. Right. First what I am going to do is here, go to the source. This is a constructor of the form. Right. After the constructor, here I am going to declare two variables, string variables, string username comma password. I am going to declaring two variables. Right. After that, this is the login button. Right click, event action perform. Here I am going to write the code here. First we have to assign into this variable this relevant to text field. What is the text you are type on this text box, it is assigned to the variable. So here I am going to type here string uname equal txt uname dot get text. The same thing, control C to copy, control V to paste. This one pass txt pass. Right. What is the text you are entered here? It pass into the relevant variable and stored here. Right. Now first what I am going to do is here I am going to declare another integer variable count right here. The same like this. here I am going to enter this one count, right? So here we have to write int counter, we have to check 3 times. So first you have to initialize as 0, right? You have to get the this count variable, count equal count plus 1, right? If you are attempt first time, it will be count. If you click the login, each and every click, it will be count plus 1, right? If you click on this login button, each time it will be count will be calculated. If the count is more than 3, it will be program will be exit, right? Like this. Okay. Now first we have to check the count. So we have to if count more than 3. If you attempt more than 3 times, program must be exit. We have to display the message, error message, jfpan.show message. This we have to pass the message here as invalid user attempt, or we have to write invalid user. It's enough. After that, we have to, after the message, we have to type exit system dot exit 0, mean it exits the system. You have to write like this, program should exit. Else we have to check the condition first. If this uname dot equals admin, and we have to use AND operators, you have to pass dot equals 1 2 3. You have to check both. If the admin use, right, we have to check admin and username admin, password 1 2 3. If it is both correct, we will be able to log in the system. We have to select the source packages, default source packages folder. We have to write another JFrame. So here select the default package. We have to select the JFrame form. This one should be the main. Here we have to write the message as here, welcome, right? Right click, properties, font, bold, 36, right? Display on here, right? Right click, properties, code, generate center. Right. Now what I am going to see, we have to check here. If both correct, username and password, you write main m equal new main. You write this dot hide m dot show. Right. If the username and password correct, it successfully log in the system. If the username password not correct, we have to pass a message as, you have to write the same J option when you have to call it here, invalid username or password, and we have to clear the particular fields. So this one txt rename this one, get it here, dot setx clear. After that, this one Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste here, dot setx clear. After that, we have to write the same thing, Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste here, requires focused. That's it. That's the thing you have to write. Okay, perfect. Right click, run file. So we have to write, if it is first, we have to type the, sorry, here we have the password text box. Select this one, press delete key and delete. We have to, instead of the normal text box, we have to put in the password text field. Right click, edit text, backslash, remove the existing text. Select again, change variable txt pass. Change the name. Right. The same name I have changed it. Right. Perfect. Now let's check. Right click, run file. If it is, if you attempt first time, invalid username and password, you have to attempt second time, invalid username. If you attempt the third time, password. If you try to attempt fourth time, invalid user. If it is click OK here. Okay, that's why I have put this condition, right? It's very essential, this program, right? Now let's check if you type the correct username and password, click login, you will be able to log in the system. It's very essential stuff. You must put this one, right? Counter, right? Counter is very must. Okay, if you are going to do the big programming, the counter will be help you to do the lot of validation part. You must try this counter. Thank you for watching. If you like my channel, please subscribe me, like me. Thank you for watching.